Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss further our second chapter of +1 maths, that is relation and function. So first of all, as the name depicts, relation and function. So now we have to do is we have to find the relation between any of the two sets. So first of all, to get the definition of relation, first of all we must know about the Cartesian product of two sets. First of all, what is Cartesian product of two sets? The Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B. First of all, they both needs to be non-empty, right? The Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B is the set of ordered pairs of elements. So A cross B will be set of ordered pairs of elements. And how that elements will look like? First of all, ordered pairs. So we will do the pairing of elements of both the sets and it will have some fixed order, right? That is why it is ordered pair of elements, right? That is A cross B will be the set of pairs A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Now this is what? This is our order. That first element will be the element of first set A and second element of the ordered pair will be the second element of the second set, that is B. So it will be a pair A comma B. We have to do is we have to pair the elements of both the given sets, right? So now I will give you example. First example says let A be the set of 1, 2, right, and B be the set of A, B, C. Now they said find A cross B and B cross A. Now they both won't be same, right? So now how they won't be same? Let us check. A cross B is what? It is the set of ordered pairs of elements A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. So it will be like this. We have to do is we have to pair the elements. One will be paired with A as well, one will be paired with B as well, and one will be paired with C as well. And in the order that one will come first. Why one will come first? Because the first element belongs to first set. So pairs will be 1 comma A, 1 comma B and 1 comma C. Next, 2 will also be paired with each element of B set. So we will get the elements 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 2 comma C. So this will be the set of ordered pairs, that is A cross B. Now we have to find B cross A. Now nothing has changed, we have to do the pairing only. But how we will do the pairing? We will change the order that first element of the pair will be from the second set and the second element of the pair will be from first set. So now A will belongs to B and B will belongs to A. Now if A belongs to B, that means A will be paired with each element of A. That means A will be paired with 1, A will be paired with 2. So we will have two elements A1, A2. Next, B will also be paired with both the elements B1, B2. C will also be paired with both the elements C1 and C2. Right? So this is our set B cross A. Next, one more example, let P be A, B, C and Q be R. So now they said find P cross Q and Q cross P. P cross Q will be what? P cross Q will be set of ordered pairs in the manner that first element from the first set, P set, and second element from the Q set. So pairs will be A comma R, B comma R and C comma R. So this will be our set P cross Q. Now Q cross P means in the reverse order. R will be paired with each element of P. R comma A, R comma B and R comma C. I think this will be clear to you all. This was the Cartesian product of two sets. Next we will discuss in the next part of the video. Next, remarks on the Cartesian product of two sets. That we will discuss in the next part of this video. Thank you.